Welcome everyone to day 14 of affiliate marketing for digital products. Today, our focus area is going to be on the chatbots and how do we get more leads from chatbot and how do we really attract people towards our chatbot and use chatbots as effectively as possible. So, quickly going into the build role, I say login. I have a login screen here open and we go into professional messenger chatbot. Okay, so it takes us to this particular page, that is the dashboard. Let me click on this. Yeah, so it goes directly to the dashboard of your chatbot system wherever you have already tied up with. Now here I can add my pages to this particular chatbot system. Since currently I have one page, I have added only one, but based on my plans, I can definitely add here up to 13 pages. Okay, so as you choose the plan, whatever number of domains you can connect, same number of pages you will be able to connect. So you can have your pages selected, and on these pages then you can have your automations defined. Okay, so what are automations? Automations are something like you ask people to come to your page, type on some value, and they get an auto responded message for it. Okay, so one particular example which I had done was I'd taken one particular webinar where I asked people to go to my page and just text me gift, and in return they get a gift. Okay, so I've just logged in into this particular page by some other ID, and I just say send message. Okay, since it is an auto responder, I need to click on get started. Okay, and this is something which I have defined. Okay, I have given an auto responded message which needs to pop up. If you see, it by default takes the name of that particular person, whoever ID I have actually used, and then gives the message. And here, as I have told them, they just need to say a keyword called as gift. So once I have given that particular message, this is the gift which I have given them. Okay, so they can download and they can use this particular gift. So that is the best use, and by doing this particular subscriber gets added into my Facebook autoresponder messenger database. Okay, so these all comes as a subscribe people into one of my page. Okay, whichever I have defined. Now in order to actually use all these things, now what next? I'll just give you one small example. Yeah, so lead generator chatbot, this is the name which I had given to a flow. Okay, now let's go through the flow. Now flow, this is the flow where I say edit. Okay, so starting with welcome, then giving them a menu, and then giving a 7-day free trial. So by default, if there is some person normally just joining my page and typing in something, they first get a welcome message. After that, if they respond, next what they will be getting is this particular buttons. Okay, I can add, I can delete, I can edit all these messages. Okay, so it's very user friendly. We can definitely do it as quickly and seamlessly as possible. Same time, there's an option called as delay. What does delay mean? After writing this particular text box, if I text, if I want to wait for 3 seconds showing that okay, someone is still typing, that time I can give a delay. Okay, so it just looks as if somebody is typing in behind the scenes. Okay, So that is what is delay. So based on that, you can define your own flow, and that flow you can put it as an automated flow. Once you place it as an automated one, it goes directly onto your page, and you can then utilize it. Now, when I had the webinar, I used that particular keyword. I asked everybody to log in, and once they have done, they got the response. In return, what I got is their database list. Okay, so uh, now how do I use this particular database? I can give a broadcasting messages. Okay, so I can simply go on broadcast. I select the page. I have my data. I'll have my database here of all the subscriber list. Currently, I've blocked because I don't want to actually publicly show all the names. It's ideally not right. So I'll go on broadcasting, and from here I'll create a broadcast where I say, this is my course which I'm launching on so and so date. If I want, I can even type on some images. I can give some videos, and then I can send it across to all the subscribers in one go. Okay, so that is one of the most beautiful example of chatbot. Okay, another thing is, suppose you have n number of services. So whenever someone goes directly into your Facebook page, or even in case of a website, as soon as they go, if they get someone to talk on, it creates a connection. It creates a personalized connection, which is always a good thing. And there you can definitely give them the options, which is the service that you want, service 1, 2, 3. Let's assume they go for 2. Within that 2, then you give them the price ranges. Okay, we have this particular service with these different price ranges. Which is the one that you want to opt for? Again, they click on whatever option they want, to which again you can respond, okay, this is the link where you can directly go and you can purchase. Okay, so most of the work which you do manually can be automated, and it can be done by the chatbots. Okay, so it's almost 40 to 60% of your business can be automated only on your chatbots, provided you use them as effectively as possible. Okay, so now everyone just 10 minutes back saying, okay, hey guys, I'm logging into the webinar. Please join me, which we definitely need to do. It's really important that we use them. At the same time, couple of tips which you need to take care when you're using these chatbots. One particular thing which you need to take care is the smileys. Whatever you're writing and all, it needs to be very appealing. Don't overuse these smileys. At the same time, make sure that it's not a dry language as well. Okay, use of smiley is required, but to some extent. At the same time, whatever you're typing, make sure it comes into one single screen. For example, yeah, so this is a small message which I have sent. So it's a small message which can be seen into a single screen. Don't make people scroll a lot, because yes, then they tend to actually ignore it and not do it. Okay, so one screen is always one of the key aspects that you need to see, and it actually works. It helps a lot. Okay, so yeah, this is all detailed about chatbot and how it needs to be used. Any questions or any suggestions, or do you want me to take any particular other aspect of chatbot? Please let me know. No, great. So once more, I'll just in short repeat whenever logging into Buildroll, first step is creating flow, tag that flow is possible. You can also have something called as scheduling system, that is just schedule at every 4 o'clock there should be a message which should go to my entire broadcast list that hey, today is so and so date, so I'm going live, please join me. So something like that type of messages can be scheduled. Broadcasting messenger option to be used when you need to simply broadcast, giving it's a one time activity. Whenever you want to do that is the time you need to go for broadcasting. So these are the key basic features which we need to know about our chatbot, and yes, start using it. Even Facebook has their automated chatbot system, so if you are not immediately buying any tool, then make sure at least Facebook chatbots are active. It's also very simple to use, and yeah, they not all these particular features can be taken care by Facebook, but still it will also help you with a couple of subscribers where you can send across the messages. Few of the automations is possible. So make sure that you have the chatbots in your Facebook page, either by Facebook chatbot, or if you have Buildroll, then it's obviously it's the advanced version. So any of these chatbots, go ahead, schedule it today itself, and make sure that you become free at least 40 to 50%, whichever is the appropriate one for your niche. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. See you all tomorrow. And any specific questions or topics, if you need, just comment below or write it down onto our chat window. I'll take care of those topics. Till then, goodbye. Take care.